Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Ethereum. Now that we're in October, let's do the monthly forecast for Ethereum for the year of 2024 using data since 2015 September, when Ethereum was at almost at $1 at a monthly average. So from there to we have data. Purposefully, we have kept the data for the entire year end of 2022. So this is the monthly average price trajectory captured on the logarithmic scale. So you can see that there are a couple of instances from first from where Ethereum went from $1 to $10, and then try to check if it has made progress by back testing it. Then in the second phase, it went from almost from 10 to $1,000, but then had to finally settle back towards that $100 range at a monthly average level. Since 2018, Ethereum did make a run from $100 to about 5,000 or $4,500. Now it's trying to test if in this particular bear market, can it hold the 1,000 level as a as a support. So this has been the at a big picture run of Ethereum. So with this data or the price action in mind, uh, we will do AI based forecast for 2024. And before we go to that, we'll just briefly introduce how these color codes work. So the cycles of Ethereum are broken down into two: one prior to end of December 2018, and one starting January 2019 till 2023. And the undervaluation phases are color coded in green, and overvaluation are color coded in red based on historical z-scores, which is a metric of how far is a monthly price at a point in time away from the average for the entire time series in terms of standard deviations. So that's how these color codes are created. Um, and now that we are almost in the last quarter, we are in the last quarter of 2023. We'll check what the forecast for 2024 look like. uh, I'll present two scenarios. The first is the bullish case for Ethereum, and the second one is the bearish case for Ethereum. So the first scenario that you're seeing on the screen, the forecasts are color coded in navy blue color, and almost the color for Ethereum, and they start with the assumption that in 2024 the market would be uh, favoring risk assets, and and then uh, come up with the trajectory for Ethereum in that environment. So for the bull case for Ethereum, the price action is in January of 2024 starts at $2,800, 2800 2850, and then again, if we see that in January the price action has a totally different story. For example, mm, uh, as we will be discussing the bear case. What I'm trying to say is that it's very unlikely for especially looking at uh, how 2023 went. It's very unlikely that 2024 or any year in particular will have only bullish momentum. So there might be a phase where um, Ethereum might follow the price action in the bull case that we are discussing for some part of year, and for the other part of the year it could follow the bearish case trajectory. So we will keep revising those forecast and likelihood of those forecasts as we approach 2024. So if you would like to stay connected, please do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update for Ethereum's monthly price forecast. For January, over this AI model, Ethereum has at 2850. Right now Ethereum is at around $1,500. So unless we see a massive rally in Ethereum in the last quarter of 2023, which hasn't happened historically in quarter 4 Ethereum hasn't rallied that much. We can see that even towards the end of these years, these are the end of years, like most of the times Ethereum during the end of year does not do well. So the exception being 2020, 2021. That was the start of a bull run following the Bitcoin halving in 2020. Uh, at other times, you can see that as we approach this line, or the, this line again in 2020, around the last 3-4 months has not been that great. You can see that even in 2018, 2016, the last 3 months have not been that great for Ethereum. So again, a lot has to be done before the January 2024 time frame for this forecast to materialize. Nonetheless, if that pans out, those are the AIB forecast based forecast for January. For February, it's 3040. For March, it's again 3040. For April, 3250. May 3400. June 3200. And then July 3080. August at 3200, 3400. September at 3300. October 3300 again. November 3400. And December 3433. So that's the trajectory that we can forecast in advance. And as you know that we are several months away from this timeline, there might be a lot of discrepancy between the forecast and the actuals. So the purpose of this forecast is not to offer a financial advice, but to check what is some of the likely scenarios forecasted by the AI model using historical data as an input, and statistics and data science and machine learning algorithms as an input. So this is the bull case. I know it's kind of like a narrow range from 2800 to 3400, or 3000, yeah, higher 3400s. So about $600 range per the AI model in a bull case. The bear case is mm, in which the price action of Ethereum uh, is not supported by any uh, macroeconomic outlook for risk assets. They are unfavorable. In that case, per the AI model for 2024, the year will most likely be choppy per the historical data that we see. Is around 1176 in January, and slightly higher valuation in February to about $1400. March again almost $1400. April 1540. May 17 to 1800. That would be the 1 month after Bitcoin halving. Then June 1500. Then July 1340. Sorry, 1380. For August it's 1700. September 1600. November 1650. And December 900. This is the case where the market doesn't favor risk assets. So again, as I said, that uh, it is very unlikely that with the price action that we have today, that we can forecast the entire year of 2024 and only one case to be accurate. It can be an amalgamation of both forecasts. So just to summarize, the forecast for the bull case is a tight range from 2800 to 3400, and the bear case is starts with the 1100, goes up till 1800 almost, and then crashes back to about 900 level if we have a recessionary outlook in 2024. That would be the most likely scenario per the AI model. And again, not financial advice. So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and also check out the other forecast. I recently made a forecast for Bitcoin yesterday on the channel. So check that out as well for 2024, as well as I have several forecasts for top 100 altcoins on the channel. So uh, I hope that you check them out as well, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.